Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing egg onigiri. If you are looking for new onigiri fillings, give this one a try. Perfect combo of eggs and rice for a tasty twist you will love. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 14 ounces of cooked Japanese short grain rice, 2 nori sheets, 4 nitamago eggs, a little salt. Step 1. Divide a nori sheet into 3 equal pieces. Step 2. Gather cooked Japanese rice, nori strips, nitamago, a bowl of water, and salt. Step 3. Fill a small bowl halfway with rice, creating a large dent in the center. Place a whole nitamago in the dent and cover it with more rice. Step 4. Wet both hands with water. Sprinkle approximately 2 fingertips of salt on your palms. Step 5. Place the rice on your palm, holding it with both hands to form a triangular shape. Gently place and roll the rice between your palms, refining the shape into a perfect triangle. Step 6. Wrap the rice with the nori, and your egg-filled onigiri is ready to be enjoyed. Let's take a look inside. I hope you enjoy this delicious egg onigiri. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free onigiri recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.